Hi everybody, happy April. It is now Planning for Our Future, Chapter 1 for April. This is the mid-level book, no symbol supports. In one more year, Keisha will graduate from high school. What will she do? Will Keisha stay at home? Will Keisha go to school? Will Keisha get a job? Keisha can choose what she will do in the future. Today there is a meeting for Keisha. It is her planning meeting. She will decide what she wants to do after high school. There will be 6 people at that planning meeting. They will help Keisha plan her future. We kind of have had a few meetings with you guys about planning for your future and what's going to happen once you graduate high school. That's one of the reasons we do our job sites. Keisha's mother and teacher come to the planning meeting. They talk about what Keisha wants to do. Keisha does not know what she wants to do. The 6 people in the meeting give her ideas. Keisha thinks about what her brother and sister did after high school. Keisha's sister Aaliyah graduated from high school. Now Aaliyah goes to college. She wants to be a teacher. Aaliyah lives in an apartment. Keisha's brother Tom graduated from high school. Tom got a job. He builds houses to earn money at his job. Keisha's teacher asks her, "What are your goals after you graduate high school?" A goal is something you are trying to do or reach. Sometimes a goal is long-term, like where you want to live after school. Keisha thinks about her long-term goals. Keisha tells them her long-term goals. I want to get a job, I want to live in an apartment, and I want to earn money. Well, to do anything after you leave school, you have to have money. So those are good options. Keisha needs to plan to reach her goals. Keisha will need an income for her plan to work. An income is money made by working. Keisha can earn money at a job. She will need money to pay for an apartment. Keisha wants to get a job and earn an income. But what job will she do? Keisha does not know what job she can do. Keisha's teacher tells her about job exploration. In job exploration, Keisha can learn about many jobs people do to make money. Keisha will learn about jobs she likes and doesn't like. She will learn about jobs she can do well. Keisha thinks job exploration is a good idea. Now, we've kind of started some of that with you guys with our on and off campus jobs. And I know in Miss S's class, you guys talk a lot about your likes and dislikes and what you might like to do to be independent. Keisha has good ideas. These ideas will go into Keisha's plan. This plan will help Keisha reach her goals of earning money and living in an apartment. In my bathroom or in my nightstand. Sorry. Her team will help her find a good job. Her team will help her plan her future. Okay, so that was chapter 1. Think about what kind of plans and goals you yourself want after high school. What are you going to do? What are things you like? What are things you don't like? Log back into Canvas and see what your assignments are. Have a great day, y'all.